How to create a checkout page in Bigcartel. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a checkout page in Bigcartel. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Bigcartel, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Bigcartel, it is an e-commerce platform primarily designed for artists and creative seller looking to establish an online presence, in which it has evolved to serve a broader range of small businesses while maintaining its focus on the creative community. And the platform also allows users to create online stores without the need for extensive technical skills, offering a straightforward setup process and a user-friendly interface. And also, Bigcartel provides essential e-commerce functionalities such as payment processing through popular gateways like PayPal, Stripe, but it lacks some advanced features found in other platforms. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the pricing option in here on the top panel, and upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you a variety of plan that they offer. We have here Gold, Platinum, and Diamond plan, with corresponding prices and list of benefits included on each plan right here, but I'm going to choose this Gold or Free plan. By simply clicking the select button right here, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. So from here, to create your account, just fill out all of this required information, including your shop name. And also, it will show you below here the shop URL that has been creating upon creating or entering your shop view in here. So you could also customize your shop URL if you want to add more kind of text or details. Moving on below here, just enter your email address and generate your own password in here. And now after filling out all of the required information to create your account, just proceed by simply clicking the sign up button right here. And upon doing so, we will now be able to be directed on this page right here. And on this page, just simply fill out all of this required information, including your first name, your last name. Then proceed by clicking the next button to proceed to the next step. And it will also ask you in here, how did you hear about us? So just click your answer in here by simply selecting to the option below. So basically, by simply filling out or simply selecting your answer in here and click the next button below here, we will now be able to be directed on the page or the dashboard of bigcartel.com. However, before that, you also need to activate your account using the email that has been sent to your email inboxes. So just simply go to your email inboxes right here and kindly click the email that has been sent to you by Bigcartel and click this verify your email address in here. And after verifying your email address, you'll now be able to see here that we have now successfully entered the dashboard of bigcartel.com. And it will show you below here the step-by-step process on how you can set up or shop in here. But to start creating a checkout page, just click your account option on the top right corner. And from here, it will show you some of the options that you could also start navigating. But just proceed by simply going to this shop design and proceed by clicking this kind of option that says review your shop. Upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this page or in our shop. But as you can see, we have no products in here, so there are nothing to check out. So to add the products, just go to the top panel and click this products option. Then proceed by clicking this add a product button right here to start importing a product. We can simply add here an image from our computer files. While on the right side panel, we can now proceed by simply filling out all of these details, including the product name, description, the categories, status of it, and even the price of this product. So after uploading the product, I'm going to enter here the product name of it, which is Nike shoes. Well, for this description, I'm going to enter limited edition black and white Nike shoes. And after that, you could also add here under the category, a category that you prefer. Or you could also manage a category if you want to add one. For instance, I'm going to enter here the name shoes. And after that, we've now successfully created a category in here. Then you simply enter the price of it. For example, I'm going to enter 100. Well, for the variants, you could also add here variants if you have different kind of color of this product. And also below here, you could also set up your shipping option in here by clicking this plus button. However, we're going to save this kind of option or details to start adding a product in our shop. So now as you can see, we've now successfully added the product. So if you go to this shop and refresh this page, we'll now be able to see here the product that we can check out. If we click the shop now button right here, we'll automatically be directed on this page where we could also start adding the cart, this kind of product. And by clicking this button add to cart, from here you can simply check out this item, or the customer will check out this item, or this is basically what it looks like for them. wherein they could also set the number of quantity that they want to purchase, and by clicking the checkout button, they should be directed on some of the form that they need to fill out in order to purchase this item. However, as you can see upon clicking this checkout button right here, it is not working, and because of that, you need to set up other information in order to create a checkout page in Bigcartel in here. So again, just go back to this account options on the top panel, and from here it will show you some of the options that you can start navigating. But from here, just go to this get paid and set up your payment options, in which the customer will choose either Stripe or PayPal as their payment method in paying for the item. So it is important in checkout page. So from here, you can simply link your account on PayPal. But since I don't have a PayPal business account, I will not be able to connect my PayPal in here. However, the other payment method that you'd also choose to link your account is this Stripe. So from here, all you need to do is to simply link your account on Stripe if you have one by clicking this connect to Stripe button. Now going back in here, you could also navigate the taxes option in here, in which it is also important in setting up your checkout page in Bigcartel, since it can significantly impact both compliance and customer experience. So from here, you can choose either automatic or manual kind of tax rate. And by choosing the manual from here, all you need to do is simply enter your country and enter the percentage that you want to be deducted, or the amount of percentage that are needed for the tax in the specific country. You could also charge taxes on products only, or products and shipping in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the save button after setting up your tax rate in here. Now going back in here, aside from that, you could also navigate the shipping profiles better, as it allows for more precise and customizable shipping options for customer. So from here, you could also set the default shipping rates in here, the product shipping profiles, in which it is important to set up for your checkout page if you're aiming to optimize your checkout process. So as you can see from here, you could also set up your default rates if you want to, by simply entering here the amount of each standard items depending on a specific country or zone. But you could also navigate here the prices that you prefer. For example, for the standard, I'm going to enter here still 0, which is free. So let's say all of these shipping methods are free, or we offer outright delivery. Successfully click the save button to set up all of those details for the checkout option or page. If you go back in here and click the checkout process, you should see here some of the option or the form that you need to fill out in order to check out the specific item. But as you can see, it is not currently working since I did not set up or link my PayPal or Stripe account in here, since it need to have a business PayPal account in order to link on Bigcartel. However, if you link your PayPal or Stripe account in here and fill out the required information in order for the checkout process to work on Bigcartel, you'll now be able to see here the checkout page that has been created. So overall, that is just basically how you can create a checkout page in Bigcartel. Thank you.